K-pop, once a niche music genre from South Korea, has exploded into a global cultural phenomenon. Its vibrant sound, intricate choreography, and captivating visuals have transcended language barriers, captivating millions worldwide and transforming the music industry. The roots of K-pop trace back to the early 90s with groups like CO Taiji and Boys, who blended Western music styles with Korean sensibilities. This laid the groundwork for the idol system, where entertainment companies began to scout and rigorously train young talent. The idol training system is notoriously intense, often spanning years. Trainees hone their singing, dancing, rapping, acting, and even foreign language skills, all under strict supervision. This meticulous preparation ensures a polished and versatile performer ready for the global stage. At its core, K-pop's appeal lies in its music. Producers often blend various genres, from hip-hop and R&B to EDM and pop, creating uniquely dynamic tracks. Catchy melodies, powerful vocals, and sophisticated arrangements are hallmarks of the genre, designed for maximum impact. Beyond the sound, K-pop is a feast for the eyes. Music videos are cinematic masterpieces, featuring elaborate sets, stunning visual effects, and high fashion. The synchronized, powerful choreography is central to every performance, turning each stage into a captivating spectacle. Social media has been instrumental in K-pop's global spread. Idols and groups actively engage with fans across platforms, fostering deep connections. Fandoms, highly organized and passionate, leverage these tools to promote their favorite artists, driving trends and breaking records worldwide. The Hallyu, or Korean Wave, a term for the increasing global popularity of South Korean culture, has been strategically nurtured. The South Korean government actively supports cultural exports, recognizing K-pop's immense soft power and economic potential. K-pop's breakthrough into Western markets wasn't accidental. Strategic collaborations with international artists, extensive world tours, and a strong presence at global award shows helped bridge cultural gaps, introducing groups like BTS and BLACKPINK to new audiences. The economic impact of K-pop is staggering. It fuels tourism, drives merchandise sales, and secures lucrative brand endorsement deals for idols. The industry contributes billions to South Korea's GDP, making it a powerful cultural machine. As K-pop continues to evolve, it constantly pushes boundaries, experimenting with new sounds and concepts. Its influence extends far beyond music, impacting fashion, beauty, and global youth culture, solidifying its position as a dominant force in the entertainment world. K-pop has exploded onto the global stage, captivating millions with its vibrant music, synchronized choreography, and polished idols. From stadium tours to chart-topping hits, the industry projects an image of unparalleled success and glamorous perfection. Yet, beneath this dazzling facade lies a more complex, often troubling reality that fuels its meteoric rise. At the heart of this success is the notorious trainee system, a grueling, multi-year process that molds aspiring stars from a young age. Trainees endure relentless schedules, often practicing for 12 to 16 hours a day, alongside strict diets, academic pressure, and intense competition. Many accumulate significant debt to their agencies for training costs, creating a profound sense of obligation before they even debut. This relentless pursuit of perfection takes a severe toll on mental health. Idols face immense pressure to maintain an immaculate public image, with every action scrutinized by fans and media. The constant surveillance, lack of privacy, and fear of making a mistake contribute to widespread anxiety, depression, and even eating disorders within the industry. The contracts binding these idols are often criticized for being exploitative. Dubbed slave contracts by some, they can span a decade or more, giving agencies vast control over an idol's career and personal life. Profit distribution can be heavily skewed in favor of the company, leaving idols with a fraction of the earnings, especially in their early years. Artistic freedom is frequently sacrificed for marketability. Agencies meticulously craft an idol's image, music style, and even personality to fit specific concepts and appeal to target demographics. This leaves little room for individual expression, turning artists into products designed for mass consumption rather than creators with independent visions. The intense devotion of K-pop fans, while a major driver of success, also presents a darker side. Idols often face extreme scrutiny, cyberbullying, and even harassment from seeing fans who invade their privacy. The pressure to constantly engage with fans and maintain an approachable persona adds another layer of stress to their already demanding lives. Gender inequality and the objectification of idols are also pervasive issues. Female idols, in particular, are subjected to unrealistic beauty standards, often undergoing cosmetic procedures and adhering to extreme diets to fit a desired aesthetic. Their concepts frequently emphasize innocence or overt sexuality, limiting their agency and artistic range. The industry has also been marred by numerous scandals, ranging from bullying allegations and drug use to more severe accusations of sexual exploitation. Agencies often employ powerful public relations strategies to manage these crises, sometimes at the expense of victims or by silencing those who speak out, prioritizing the company's image over justice. The global reach of K-pop is amplified by sophisticated marketing strategies and the power of social media. While this allows idols to connect with fans worldwide, it also exposes them to a broader spectrum of criticism and pressure. The constant need to trend and remain relevant in a fast-paced digital landscape further intensifies the demands on their time and mental well-being. Ultimately, the global success of K-pop comes at a significant human cost. While the talent and dedication of idols are undeniable, the systemic issues within the industry highlight a need for greater transparency, fairer contracts, and a stronger focus on the well-being of its artists. The dazzling spectacle often obscures the sacrifices made behind the scenes. K-pop's meteoric rise from a regional music genre to a global cultural phenomenon is no accident, but rather the result of a meticulously crafted strategy by South Korea. It represents a powerful example of how a nation can leverage its cultural assets to achieve significant soft power and economic influence on the world stage. The initial seeds were sown in the late 1990s and early 2000s, when the South Korean government recognized the potential of its cultural exports, particularly after the Asian financial crisis. This led to the formalization of the Hallyu, or Korean Wave Initiative, a concerted effort to promote Korean culture internationally through music, dramas, and film. At the heart of K-pop's success lies its unique idol training system. Entertainment companies developed rigorous, multi-year programs that scouted young talent and honed their skills in singing, dancing, rapping, and even foreign languages. This intensive preparation ensured a high level of professionalism and performance quality from the moment groups debuted. The music itself is a blend of catchy melodies, diverse genres, and high production values. K-pop tracks often incorporate elements from Western pop, R&B, hip-hop, and EDM, making them broadly appealing. Visually stunning music videos, often with elaborate sets and choreography, further captivate audiences worldwide. Crucially, K-pop embraced digital platforms early on. Companies strategically utilized YouTube to distribute music videos globally, bypassing traditional media gatekeepers. Social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram became vital for direct fan engagement, fostering strong communities and allowing for rapid dissemination of content. Global marketing and localization efforts also played a significant role. K-pop groups began to include members from various nationalities, learn multiple languages, and tailor their content or touring schedules to specific international markets, demonstrating a keen understanding of global audiences. The South Korean government actively supported this cultural expansion. Investments were made in cultural content production, overseas promotion, and the development of infrastructure for the entertainment industry. This governmental backing provided a stable environment for K-pop to flourish and expand its reach. The power of K-pop fandoms cannot be overstated. Highly organized and passionate, these global communities actively promote their favorite groups, stream music, buy merchandise, and even fund projects. Their collective efforts amplify K-pop's presence and influence across digital and physical spaces. Beyond just music, K-pop serves as a powerful gateway to other aspects of Korean culture. International fans often discover Korean dramas, beauty products, fashion, food, and even learn the Korean language, all sparked by their initial interest in K-pop, further boosting South Korea's cultural exports. Ultimately, South Korea's transformation of K-pop into a global empire is a masterclass in strategic cultural diplomacy and economic foresight. It showcases how a nation, through deliberate investment, innovation, and a deep understanding of global trends, can turn its creative industries into a formidable force on the world stage. Many perceive K-pop as merely a genre of music, a collection of catchy tunes and vibrant performances. However, to truly understand K-pop, one must look beyond the melodies and realize it was engineered from its inception as a comprehensive entertainment product, a meticulously crafted experience designed for global consumption. The journey of a K-pop idol begins not in a garage with instruments, but in rigorous training academies. These are not just music schools. They are intensive programs encompassing singing, dancing, acting, language acquisition, media training, and even personality development. Idols are groomed from a young age, often for years, to become multi-talented entertainers, not solely musicians. Visually, K-pop is paramount. The choreography is an art form in itself, often as iconic and recognizable as the songs. Music videos are high-budget cinematic productions, brimming with intricate aesthetics, fashion, and storytelling. These visual elements are not supplementary. They are core components that define a group's concept and contribute significantly to its appeal. Fandoms in K-pop are unparalleled in their organization and dedication. They are active participants in an idol's career, engaging in mass streaming campaigns, album purchases, merchandise collection, and voting for awards. This level of engagement transforms fans from passive listeners into active consumers and promoters, deeply invested in the success of their favorite groups. The business model of K-pop agencies extends far beyond record sales. These companies are entertainment conglomerates, diversifying into acting, variety shows, fashion lines, endorsements, and even technology. Idols are brands, and their activities are strategically managed to maximize revenue across various platforms, making music just one facet of a larger enterprise. K-pop's global expansion, often referred to as Hallyu or the Korean Wave, is no accident. It has been strategically promoted, sometimes with government support, as a form of cultural diplomacy and economic export. The industry consciously targets international markets, adapting content and marketing strategies to resonate with diverse audiences worldwide. The parasocial relationships fostered between idols and fans are another key differentiator. Idols are often presented as aspirational figures, friends, or even romantic interests through curated social media interactions, reality shows, and fan meet and greets. This creates a deep emotional connection that transcends typical artist-listener dynamics. Concepts and narratives are central to K-pop groups. Many groups build elaborate fictional universes, character arcs, and ongoing storylines that unfold across albums, music videos, and other content. This storytelling adds layers of depth and engagement, inviting fans to immerse themselves in a world far richer than just individual songs. Unlike traditional music industries where the primary focus is often on the auditory experience and artistic expression through sound, K-pop prioritizes a holistic package. The sound is important, but it's intertwined with visual spectacle, performance, persona, and an immersive fan experience that together form the complete product. Ultimately, K-pop is a sophisticated cultural phenomenon, a highly industrialized system for creating and marketing entertainment. It's a blend of music, fashion, dance, technology, business, and community. To call it merely music is to overlook the intricate web of elements that have made it a global powerhouse, defining it as a comprehensive cultural export.